Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to link pages on Squarespace in just a few quick steps. First, navigate to the page where you want to add your link. Then, click the Edit button in the top left corner. That opens the page editor so you can modify the content. Once you're in edit mode, scroll to the area where you want the link and either click into an existing text block or add a new one. You'll see the text editing toolbar appear when you click into the block. Now type the text you want to turn into a link, or if the text is already there, highlight it by clicking and dragging over it. This is the text that visitors will actually click on, so make it clear and descriptive. Next, click the link icon in the text toolbar. It looks like a chain link symbol. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Command-K on Mac or Control-K on Windows, which is much faster once you're used to it. Either way, a link editor pop-up will appear. In that pop-up, click the drop-down menu and select URL. Then start typing the title of the page you want to link to. As you type, Squarespace will search through your site and show you a list of matching pages. When you see the page you want, click on it from that list. The page URL will automatically populate in the link field. If you want the link to open in a new browser tab, toggle the switch that says Open Link in New Tab. For internal page links, you'll usually want to leave this off, but it's useful if you're linking to external sites and want to keep visitors on your page. Once you're happy with the settings, press Enter or just click outside the link editor to close it. You'll see your text is now a hyperlink. It'll be underlined or styled based on your site's theme. Finally, click the Save button in the top left to publish your changes. The link won't appear on your live site until you hit Save, so don't skip this step. After saving, it's a good idea to open the live page in a new tab and click the link to make sure it goes to the right place. If you need to change the link later, just click back into the text block, click the linked text, and the link editor will pop up again so you can edit or remove it. And remember those keyboard shortcuts, Command-K or Control-K, they'll save you time once you start adding multiple links. And that's how it's done. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.